Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to work on another little cute coin purse project, which is the pirate's booty because it is so cute. I always want to use like cute snack bags or their candy bars. If there's an interesting cover or an interesting wrapper that I see, I always think, oh, let's do a coin purse with this one. Maybe I'll quilt some things, and I'll show you how to do that. Pirate's Booty is going to be our guest snack bag today. And also, if you guys want to support me, can you please click the link down in the description for my Etsy store. I have so many things on my Etsy store. And also, if you want to request something and you just want to bypass Etsy, because sometimes they charge way too much. Sometimes I get half of it, because not because of what their fees are for that one particular item, but because the renewal of the listings and all that stuff gets eaten up. On this video, I'm going to show you how to do a little cute tiny coin purse that's quilted, and it's made out of pirate's booty. So let's go.
I do discard the back of it because it's not very interesting. So I'm going to use a piece of denim, cut up denim, like upcycle jeans, for the back side of it. For this project, you only need one side as jeans, so you're only going to cut one piece for the back. And then for the lining inside, I chose this mustard colored. And for the border of the front, I'm using the striped red and beige. It's really cute. It's so apropos. This is the Heat and Bond iron-on vinyl, and I cut a piece just a little bit bigger than my image. And also I will flatten this out with a credit card so it's 100% stuck onto the surface of the bag. I'm using parchment paper to iron this on so it doesn't stick to my iron, and iron it on the lowest temperature of your iron. For this, I decided to just use the logo of the pirate's booty without all of the little riffraff things underneath it. So also I have a symmetrical semi-rectangular piece that's going on the front of my coin purse. Then I will attach the border to the image on all four sides, and then finger press it, and then also top stitch. For my next trick, I'm going to quilt over the design with batting underneath it. But it's going to be just a simple quilting going around the circle of the pirate's booty, and that's it. I'm not going to do anything complicated. And you can do as complicated as you want if you want to, but I decided to do it as simple as possible. I know I cut too much of the jean material, but it's okay because I would rather have excess than not enough. And so with all of this sewing, with the borders and everything, I really didn't know like how much room I'm gonna have. So I cut the jeans bigger than the normal size. And then also I'm cutting the lining, and I'm cutting two. Now it's time to attach the zipper. I always try to remember how I do the zipper, and I do it the same way every time so that I'm not making a guessing game about it. So what it is the zipper head would always be right side up on my left side. Always give yourself a 1/4 inch allowance on either side. So you start with a 1/4 inch and then you end with a 1/4 inch. I always make sure to top stitch after I do one side of the zipper. Start and stop at a 1/4 inch the same way to top stitch. Make sure when you sew your label, you're only sewing on the inside lining and not with the exterior. Now it's time to make a tab for the split ring and the lobster clasp. Now it's time to assemble the bag. Make sure that you leave at least a 2-inch opening on the lining side of the bag, and to make sure that you can turn it over and you have enough give there to turn it over. Also, make sure that you align the zipper folded into the lining side, not the exterior side. Zip the zipper halfway into the bag before you start to sew. Now we snip the corners, and so that when we turn it over, there is no bulk, and also cut the excess zipper. And lastly, we can now install the split ring and the lobster clasp. And you're done.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and please make sure you click the like button for my birthday. If you're watching this on the TV, you know, all you have to do is like pause the video, and then you'll see the menu, and then you just go up with your up arrow and then go to the like and click it, and then to go back you just push the up arrow again and then click it to get back to your video. So I would appreciate if you guys please like this video. I would be forever grateful. Until the next time, take care and happy sewing. Bye.